How to log in or sign in to CommSec Account. Hello everyone, I am Vishalka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for www.commsec.com.au. You will be led to the official webpage of CommSec. Now to sign in, tap on the person-like icon on the top right of your screen and you will be led to the login portal of CommSec. Go ahead and enter your login credentials, that is your client ID and your password. Once entered, tap on the login button and with this, if the login credentials that you entered are correct, you will be logged in to CommSec successfully. Also, if you have forgotten your client ID or your password, then you can tap on the Forgot Client ID or Password option and recover your login credentials and log in further. So, this is how you can log into CommSec account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.